Here we see a jobnet with a series of orders with dependencies. For example, order B, C, and D are all dependent on order A being completed before they start. Looking at our jobnet in the Job Scheduler object editor, we can see that the nodes are represented by a series of orders which are shown in the middle of the left-hand box. The job chain network itself is executed by the job chain which is called job chain multiple inheritance, and this executes a script which is called scheduler parameter script to execute. Each order in the network has a series of parameters. The most important of these are the script to be executed and the successor orders. For example, here the script to be executed is a ping and the successor order is G. The jobnet is also represented in the database. Here we see the tables in which the planned job will be added to. The table data is created for each jobnet that is to be executed. This is done by the jobnet plan creator job. This job creates a bootstrap order for our jobnet. You can see that this bootstrap order has a jobnet identifier and has successors. And you can now see that our 7 nodes are represented in the database. This bootstrap order starts, and with it the jobnet is started. In this example, the jobnet is started manually, and you can see here that the job ID A is first of all waiting to start. Once the job scheduler has started this job, starts orders B, C, and D once order A has been finished. B, C, and D are now in the waiting state. And are now executing their script to execute. E, F, and G are now starting and waiting for their predecessors to come to an end. E will start almost immediately, whereas F and G have to wait on D being completed. In the job chain window, you can see which orders G and F are waiting for. D and E are executing, whereas G and F are still waiting. Now that D has finished, G and F can start to execute their scripts. In the order history, you can see that the jobs have been completed in the required order.